Normal life can no longer continue safely due to the present threat. Therefore, every citizen must return to their homes immediately. All transports and upcoming flights will be shut down indefinitely until further notice.
Southern United States, your time has come. I have long awaited this moment, and now it is time for me to leave an indelible mark on your cities with justice. Florida, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas. Be prepared for your worst, because the Watcher is coming to get you. I am a vigilant observer, and you cannot escape from my watchful eye. You will not survive.
Good evening. The breaking news currently being presented is of significant interest. However, it contains content that may be distressing to some individuals. Therefore, those who are particularly sensitive to disturbing content may find it advantageous to switch to a different channel or to abstain from consuming this particular news. On the evening of the day, a highly concerning event took place at one of the most reputed weather stations in the United States, named the Weather Channel. It was an instance of broadcast intrusion, where an unauthorized individual or group hijacked the station's broadcast signal and aired a message that was intended to cause alarm and chaos. The intrusion occurred during the local on the 8th, and it lasted for several minutes. According to reports, the broadcast intrusion was accompanied by a strange message delivered by an unknown suspect who identified themselves as the Watcher. The message was filled with threatening language and disturbing claims about the suspect's intention to bring justice to the southern United States by destroying it. The message was designed to cause fear and panic among viewers. The intrusion also caused some technical difficulties, including power outages that affected the station's transmission. As a result, the station went off the air for approximately 10 minutes, which caused further panic and anxiety among the viewers who were watching the broadcast at the time.
Coming up, a look at your local radar. But first, the current local conditions. regional conditions. Your local 36-hour forecast from the National Weather Service. An official statement has been issued regarding
An official statement has been issued regarding a missing persons abduction in the state of South Carolina. The South Carolina Police Department and the United States government have reported numerous missing persons cases across major cities in the southern United States. These cities, among others, include Oklahoma City, Dallas, Lexington, Little Rock, Charlotte, Nashville, New Orleans, Atlanta, and Miami. The frequency of these incidents is significant, making it challenging to track them adequately and establish a connection between them. The authorities remain uncertain about the cause of these abductions and currently lack information to determine whether the missing person incidents are linked. Victims were commonly reported to have been left outside a building only to disappear without a trace, making it difficult to determine what was causing these events. The lack of evidence further complicates the investigation. If you have any information regarding these cases, kindly dial 911 immediately. The authorities are investigating the situation to the best of their ability, and updates will be provided as soon as possible. We advise everyone to remain alert and ready for emergency alerts.
The National Weather Service has placed our area under an extremely rare high-risk alert for today. The last time we had such a risk was on May 6, 1975. Though there weren't many tornadoes that day, the environment was extremely volatile. However, I believe that today's environment is much more volatile.
Please stand by for a message from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, Franklin County in southeast Missouri, Penobscot County in southeast Missouri, until 3:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing penny-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. The storm was located near Dell, or about 7 miles southwest of Gosnell, and moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Hornesville, Blytheville, Denton, Cooter, Steele, Deering, and Carifusville. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. The storm has a history of producing destructive winds and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside the sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Stay tuned to this broadcast for the latest updates and information.
Intense supercells tracking towards us. There is potential for strong to violent EF2 to EF5 tornadoes, very large hail, and scattered damaging winds. I urge everyone in the risk area to remain extremely weather aware, to stay informed of
Why are we here in Raleigh, Stephen? This city is deserted and all. What's the purpose of our visit?
Just for fun, I guess. Oh, and because I heard the news that over 2,000 people got abducted here by the weird phenomenon called the Watcher, like, a month ago. I feel like this is a piece of fake news and stuff, so that is the reason why we got here.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County in central South Carolina, Acton County in central South Carolina, Lexington County in central South Carolina, Calhoun County in central South Carolina, Bernal County in central South Carolina, and Lambert County in central South Carolina. Until 4:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing penny-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 74 miles an hour. The storm was located near Gloverville, or about near Clearwater, and moving east at 73 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Richland, Acton, Lexington, Calhoun, Burnwell, and Lambert. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without
How stupid do you have to be just investigate this for no reason?
So you're being Dean.
You ain't funny, Stephen. You're going to get us both killed.
Dean, wait a sec. Dean, I'm so sorry.
Oh, hell no.
This is a Wake County emergency alert. A local emergency has been declared due to the increasing number of abductions for the past 4 hours in the southern United States. Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the entire southern United States area until the situation improves. You must return to your homes immediately and remain there until further notice. This is a final warning to return to your homes and dissolve. You will be detained if you have been caught outside during martial law. Please take this warning seriously and act accordingly. If you see individuals gone missing in your residence, call 911 immediately. Thank you.
Every Saturday night at 11, Cartoon Network's clearing out the sandbox. 6 cartoons, 3 hours. Only for grown-ups. Nobody moves, nobody gets hurt. Adult Swim action, Saturday nights at 11.
Get down! I hate you!
Yu Yu Hakusho complete. Gundam 0080 next.
An emergency of region-wide significance has been declared in the southern United States. The state governments of the United States, along with the National Guard and civil authorities, have broadcasted the following message to inform the citizens of the situation. The reason behind this emergency is a phenomenon that has occurred across major cities, which has put the citizens of the southern United States in grave danger. Due to the rapid growth of abductions by a creature called the Watcher, martial law will be declared in the following states: Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, South Carolina, and North Carolina, effective immediately from today, October 25th, 2006. As of now, over 50,000 people are missing, and no one has been able to locate them or see them in the last 48 hours. The situation is getting worse by the hour, and there is an immediate need for a strict protocol to be followed to ensure the safety of all citizens. Normal life can no longer continue safely due to the present threat. Therefore, every citizen must return to their homes immediately. All transports and upcoming flights will be shut down indefinitely until further notice. Individuals will be allowed to leave their shelters once the situation improves. The primary aim of this emergency is to keep you safe and protect you from being abducted. The causes of the disappearances due to the creature called the Watcher are still unexplained. However, there is a possibility that the disappearances are caused by unnatural attacks on people who have been in contact with the black fog. If you require any further information that has not been mentioned in the broadcast, please visit the following URL: www.martiallawsafety.gov. Thank you for your cooperation.
It's important to remember that a tornado watch means that the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, it's important to remain alert.
Yeah, right. The storm literally just formed. How is there going to be a violent tornado?
I have heard that there is severe weather in my area, and it hasn't stopped raining since maybe around 2 p.m. Hopefully, it is just heavy rainfall and nothing else. I'm just going to chillax for a bit and possibly going to watch TV.
attention to this broadcast. It is vital to your survival. A colossal tornado is barreling towards the region with ferocious speed, and experts predict it will make landfall within the next 10 minutes. As if that wasn't enough, the entire area has been engulfed in a thick, blackened fog, reducing visibility to mere feet, and making it nearly impossible to see anything beyond your immediate surroundings. This combination of natural disasters poses an imminent threat to I strongly urge you to seek shelter immediately. Find a secure location and hunker down until the situation subsides. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture.
Attention all citizens of the southern United States. This is an important message. We are pleased to inform you that the emergency situation caused by the tornado and the black fog has been contained. The experts and authorities have worked tirelessly to ensure your safety and well-being, and we are happy to report that the threat has passed. We understand that this has been a difficult time for everyone, and we appreciate your cooperation and patience throughout this ordeal. We want to assure you that help is on the way for those who have been affected by this disaster. Emergency responders are working diligently to provide assistance and support to those in need. We urge you to continue following the safety protocols and guidelines provided by the authorities to stay safe and avoid any further harm. We also encourage you to reach out to emergency services if you require any assistance or support. Once again, we thank you for your cooperation and understanding during this challenging time. Our thoughts and prayers are with those who have been affected by this disaster. Stay safe and take care.
Life. There's roadblocks. Don't let nothing stop you.
This your baby.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out, bro! Let me pray. This tornado on the robot. Shut the ugly dog. Yo, you ugly. Yo, body for you. I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a